Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a small video. If your Windows Security Defender is not working, how to resolve this issue. So my security is working fine, you can see here. And if your Windows Security is not opening, Windows Security app, you can see in my case my Windows Defender is working fine. But in your case, if not working, we can reinstall it. Okay, there is a package. We can hit the command in the PowerShell and we can reinstall all the missing packages on Windows. Okay, so open the PowerShell with the admin mode. Okay, PowerShell, run it as an administrator with the right click. Click on yes button when the prompt opens and now wait, enter, and you need to paste this command here. So this is the command you can see here. Okay, you can get this command in my description box. This will reinstall all the missing updates and all. Okay, and hit this command. This will run and install the missing packages, and hopefully your issue will be fixed. Once it is run, restart your system and your issue will be fixed. If still not fixed, you can comment me. I will try to reply you. So thank you. Thanks for watching.